This is how you can make 1,000 kina every day without using your own money. The first business idea that requires no capital and is very profitable is called freelance consulting. During the 1400s and the 1500s, when there was a gold rush in Africa, whole of Europe migrated down to Africa and wanted to become part of the gold rush, and they wanted to also take gold for themselves. But you know who was the richest man during that time? The richest man during the gold rush is the guy who sold a spade to the gold diggers. Freelance consulting is the same concept that I will tell you right now. You are going to produce the knives and the spades, and you're going to sell it to people who are trying to do business right now. I will be very practical in my talks, and I will be showing you examples. So if you follow exactly what I am going to tell you right now, you would have a functioning business by the time this video ends. Go to Google Play Store if you have an Android phone, or Apple Play Store if you have an iPhone, and download the following 5 apps: Facebook, TikTok, CapCut, Canva, and ChatGPT. These are all free apps. You don't need to pay any subscription. Just download them, install them in your phone, and then follow exactly what I'm going to tell you now. Open your Facebook account, go to menu, and then click Pages, and then top left hand corner you create page, and then you follow instructions there. You write your Facebook page name, whatever name you want to write for your company. Let's say XYZ Consultancy, and then you press next, and then your page category you can click consulting agency. Does your page have a website? You can skip that. Alright, now we are going to create your company's logo and a cover photo. Minimize Facebook and go to Canva. Click Canva, and then we are inside the main design dashboard for Canva. And then you go to the top search bar and type in consultancy company logo or consulting agency logo. Now when you press search, you will see that Canva has thousands of templates, pre-made logos that you don't need to waste your time doing a lot of design work. It is ready-made for you. So you just choose whichever design or style you like, and then you click on that design or style, and then it opens up where you will have to design and do the modification. We select this one, and then we will change the name to XYZ Consultancy, and you can play around with the colors, maybe change the background or foreground to whatever color you want. Now let's save it, minimize Canva, and go to Facebook. Click your profile, upload photo, and then that's where your logo is already been saved in your gallery, so you just upload it to your profile picture. And there you have it, XYZ Consultancy with a logo of its own. Now the next thing we will do is we are going to create your first Facebook ad. We are going to write up an advertising message to advertise your company to your potential customers or clients. Open up ChatGPT that you have previously installed, and you sign up to a free account. Just click continue to all the options that are given there. And once you are on this screen, this is where you will have to put your prompt in to ask ChatGPT to write you an advertising message for your Facebook page. I'm going to give you an example prompt here, and if you cannot think for a better prompt, you can copy exactly what I'm writing here so it can help you. Now you can say, I have a consultancy business called XYZ Consultancy. We are specialized in developing logos, company profiles, and write project proposals for businesses. Additionally, we assist clients register their business with IPA, IRC, and open bank accounts in Papua New Guinea for our clients. I want you to write me a very eye-catching, comprehensive, and highly clickable ad message to post on my Facebook page to promote the company and attract potential clients. And then click send and just watch ChatGPT doing all the work for you. And then once you are happy with the text, you just click copy message, minimize ChatGPT, and then go back to your Facebook page, and then create a new post, and then you just paste what you just copied from ChatGPT. Then you can click photo, go to your gallery and select the profile picture to add with this post, and then you click post. There you have it, your first Facebook page as XYZ Consultancy firm. Now in my next video, I will talk about how you can promote that post to reach a wider audience or a big number of audience. Now let's assume that you have received your first client who wants you to do up a logo for their company. You will follow exactly what you did for your consultancy firm by opening up Canva, and let's say your client owns a construction company. So on the top part of the search button on Canva, you can type in construction company logo, and you can see another thousands of templates and suggestions of very nice company logos for construction company. You can do exactly what you did for your consultancy firm by clicking whatever design you like and then inputting the name of the company and the tagline and importing local images and include them in the logo. And once you are happy with your work, you can charge your client. The more clients you receive, you have the ability to make a lot of money without using your own money. In my next video, I'm going to teach you how to use Canva and ChatGPT to write project proposals. You can use that as your service by writing project proposals for your clients who will be submitting those proposals to government agencies or donor agencies or any form of funding that they may be interested to source. So follow my account to stay in touch for more educational and free financial advices.